Hey guys, welcome back to Develop Event Manager. In this series, we are talking about our registration add-on, and today's topic will be how we can modify or override a theme file for our registration add-on. So for that, you need an access to the file system of your hosting. That can be via FTP or your web hosting's file manager, or you can do that via WordPress built-in editor as well. Or you can even use a file manager plugin for WordPress as well. I would really suggest that you use an FTP or your web hosting's default code editor. So in case you make a PHP mistakes and that breaks your site into an error 500, you can recover it from it quickly. If you don't have access to the FTP, or if you're using the WordPress built-in editor, and if you make a mistake on PHP and if it breaks down, then you lost access to the WP admin area as well until you fix that error via FTP or web hosting's default code editor. So I am logged in to my FTP in this new tab, and on your website root you will have a public HTML or a htdocs folder. In my case that's public folder, but mostly it's public HTML or htdocs. So inside that you will have your default WordPress installation. We need to go inside WP content, then we need to go inside plugins, and then we need to go inside our WP Event Manager registration. So that's the add-ons fault directory. And in here we need to go inside templates. Primarily we need two files from here for the modification. We need the registration form, this one. If we download this file, and then we need this event registration file. Let's download this as well. And then we need to go back to our WP content, and then from here we need to go inside themes, and then inside your active theme name. So in my case it's event listing. And then in here we need to create a new folder that will be named WP Event Manager Registrations, separated by these hyphens. And if we click OK and create this new folder over here, and then we will go inside this folder and we will upload these two files. So we have two files, event registration and registration form. So this registration form is a template file for the registration form over here, and we can customize this form fields from the backend. We showed how you can do that in our previous videos. Feel free to check them out. So in here we have our default templating file. So why you actually would be interested to modify these template files? Suppose maybe you want to define some custom styling, you want to make this form gorgeous or change the layout a little bit. For that you need to modify this template file as per your imagination. So use your imagination to create some gorgeous, beautiful registration form designs, and let us know in the comment as well. We will be thrilled to check them out. Let me show you a basic example how simply you can just add or modify this template file, how they reflect in the front end side. So let us add a paragraph. So I have typed a basic paragraph with a phrase that says, please enter the following details below to complete your registration. So if we hit save and then reload this page, if we scroll down and click on this button, so here we have the paragraph we have just entered. Please enter the following details below to complete your registration. So then we have our form fields. So this is how simple it is to modify these template files. And one simple tips, please keep your template file updated with our latest version so you don't have any conflicts or you are not missing out any features. Feel free to modify this template as per your own needs and let us know as well. So moving on to the next file. So that's our event registration file. So this is the file which is responsible for the event listing dashboard in the front end. Let me show you what I mean. So this template is generated by this file. So suppose you don't like our default styling, that's fine. You can always change it with this template file and make it your own. So as always, use your imagination over here as well. Sky's the limit, and let us know in the comment what design you came up with our registration plugin. We will like to see them as well. So being that said, we are pretty much at the end of the video. If you are finding our videos informative and useful, consider subscribing to the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.